Hey there, tech adventurers. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust the screen brightness on your Windows computer. And let me tell you, it's going to be the most ridiculously confusing tutorial ever. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, you might be tempted to just smack your monitor. Go ahead, give it a good whack. Did anything happen? Nope. Well, it was worth a shot. Now that we've got the frustration out of the way, let's move on to the real steps. Step 1. Find your keyboard. It's that thing with a million buttons that you're probably using as a coffee holder. Now look for the keys that have what looks like tiny suns on them. If you can't find them, just start pressing random keys. Who knows? You might get lucky. Step 2. Open up the control panel. But wait, before you do that, let's take a detour. Click on the Start menu and type in brightness. Did you find anything? No, perfect. Now go back to the control panel, because that's where the magic happens. Once in the control panel, click on Hardware and Sound, or maybe it's System and Security. Just click around randomly until you find something that looks right. If you end up in the printer settings, you've gone too far. Backtrack like a true explorer. All right, you've made it this far. Now, find Power Options. Click on that and you'll see an option for Change Plan Settings. At this point, you might feel like you're disarming a bomb. That's totally normal. In Change Plan Settings, look for Adjust Plan Brightness. This is where it gets tricky. There are two sliders, one for when your computer is plugged in and one for when it's on battery. Move these sliders around while chanting brightness, brightness, make it right. It might not actually help, but it's fun. Congratulations, you've confused yourself thoroughly, but hopefully your screen is now the right brightness. If not, well, there's always the option of adjusting the blinds in your room, and remember, if all else fails, you can always yell at your screen. It won't change the brightness, but it might make you feel better. Thanks for watching this hilariously convoluted tutorial. If you enjoyed getting lost in the labyrinth of settings with me, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more, because who knows? Next time I might teach you how to open a Word document with interpretive dance. Catch you later, tech adventurers.